So, Namaskaram everyone. Namaskaram everyone. Good morning. So, are you awake? Okay. Sorry for the informal beginning. Respected Dais, Dr. Kevle Madam, Associate Professor, Department of Anatomy, your Dean, Dr. Jain Madam, and my colleagues from PDMMC, and Student Council of this college, Dr. Punjab Rao, Dr. Rajendra Gode Medical College, and my dear friends from batch 23 and 24. So, first of all, a warm namaskaram to all of you, and despite technical hurdles, we will continue with the same gist, same thrill and same enthusiasm. So, are you ready? Am I audible to everyone? If I would request the last two rows to please come ahead and sit down. If I could request the last two rows to please come forward and sit here. Quickly. Quickly. AC आगे भी है. I have come long from Solapur. It takes around 14 hours to reach Amravati, and we have been sleeping at 3 a.m. yesterday. And this is all just to have a healthy interaction with all of you. So I would ensure that you would not use your mobile phones, you will not sleep during this session, because it's an interactive session. And interaction means a two-way communication. So there are many questions from my side during this course of our interaction, and I hope that you will answer and keep the tip of the nose of your medical college high in the sky. Katne nahi doge naak. So, shall we begin the session? Yes, sir. Shall we begin the session? Yes, sir. Have you had your breakfast? Yes, sir. How many had their breakfast? Raise your hands. आपको भूख लगी? आपने खाना खाया कि नहीं खाया? तो हाथ ऊपर करो ना. Okay, so almost you didn't have your breakfast. No. So you have a feast of ideas now. Okay. So our topic for today is what medical students don't learn in medical schools. So when you listen to this headline, what comes across your mind? Yes, in one line, if anyone would like to express, anyone, you have to be interactive. It's not a lecture. Yes, what medical students don't learn in medical schools. Actually, this is a name of a book by Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Dr. B.M. Hegde, who is a DM cardiologist. He's almost 90 years of age, and he's a great clinician. And he had written this book, What Students Don't Learn in Medical Schools. I did not read the book completely, but then that title took me along to make me think in a way and present what I want to by the means of this title. So what comes in your mind when you listen to this topic? Yes, I hope I am talking to the most accountable doctors of Maharashtra. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. So you have to be accountable by your answers, not by yes and sorry as in Viva. Yes? Yourself, please tell me. What do you think? Yourself? The one with the specs. Yes? Yes? मास्तरच्या नजरेतनं पोरं राहत नाहीत, ते सापडतात बरोबर. येस प्लीज. व्हॉट डू यू थिंक? यू आर ए फर्स्ट इयर फेलो और सेकंड इयर? हां. So what do you think? It's almost 6 months and so you are here. So what do you think? What you don't learn in medical school? What? See your faculty sitting here. With due respect, tell me, what have they not taught? Yes? Anyone from the Nari Shakti department? Yes, yourself, madam, please. The one with the specs, yeah. You are not facing a viva. You are in an interaction. Yes? Yourself?
Patience.
Okay, one answer is patience. Do you think is it valid? नो बोलने वाले खड़े होके बोलो क्यों नहीं है वैलिड. और अगर मैंने उसके आंसर को सपोर्ट करके प्रूव किया कि ये वैलिड है तो पेशेंस नहीं सीखते. पहले महीने में जब चंपी होती है तुम्हारी पीडीसी से तो सीखते नहीं हो पेशेंस. ऐसा इन्होंने नहीं बोला ना. हाँ, इसने बोला सीखते हैं. हाँ, ओके, आप कंटिन्यू करो. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? व्हाट वी आर नॉट टॉट इन मेडिकल स्कूल्स? व्हाट डू यू फील?
Probably everything.
Not taught in the medical schools.
Everything is taught.
I am asking, what are we not taught? See, before we begin with the talk, it's most important for us to understand what it is. What is the title of the show? If we are not aware of it fully, how do we expect ourselves to understand about it? Yes?
Reason behind completing journals by just copy paste.
Okay, we are not taught about the reasons for why are we completing journals, doing it a copy paste job. Okay, good answer. तालियां मेरे लिए नहीं है, तुम्हारे लिए है. हाँ. Yes, anyone wants to have some better answer? Yes, yourself. हाँ, बिल्कुल यूज नहीं करना मोबाइल फोन. हाँ, बोलिए. नाइनटीन 47 में हमको आजादी मिल चुकी है. तुम अभी भी एनस्लेवमेंट में क्यों रह रहे हो? Yes, yourself, please. हाँ, come back. Live the moment. Yes. काय शिकवत नाहीत मास्तर आपल्याला किंवा आपण काय शिकत नाही. यू कॅन फील फ्री टू टॉक इन हिंदी, मराठी, इंग्लिश. इट इज नॉट दॅट यू शुड स्पीक ओनली इन इंग्लिश ऑर समथिंग लाईक दॅट. मी इंग्रजीमध्ये बोलण्याचं कारण आहे की हे सगळीकडे जातं तर थोडं सोयीस्कर राहतं ना, असं आहे. बाकी काय नाही, आपण बेधडक मराठीत बोलू शकतो. बोला. वैद्यकीय विद्यार्थी वैद्यकीय महाविद्यालयांमध्ये काय शिकत नाहीत? सॉरी सर, आप बोलो. आपका कॉन्फिडेंस हाई दिख रहा है. अरे बोल काहीतरी.
Sir, maybe leadership qualities.
ओके, अ वेरी गुड आंसर. लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज. पर हमारा स्टूडेंट काउंसिल है ना. हाँ, so we are in a democracy and everyone must get an equal opportunity, because not only the people from the students council will form a hospital. Everyone here is eligible and they are worth to do that, right? So it's a quality that we must learn. Okay, out of these answers so far, journal was a good answer, but it is good for having fun. It's a personal discussion which has to be taken care of at a personal level. If you say मी करत नाही, तो he will not come and rip you off. But the two answers so far that we have received, one is patience and second is leadership qualities. These are the two important aspects that we fail to learn in medical schools. Okay, now sit down. All of you sit down. So this was a good beginning. There is a little insight in your mind about this topic, and now without wasting much time, we shall begin this talk. It's already 10:40, another 30 minutes and we'll have to complete. So basically, when we come to a medical college, we are expected to learn our curriculum. There are terminologies like co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, and we are far much enthusiastically involved in all of them. But when it comes to soft and hard skills, okay, when we are talking about what we don't learn, तो उसमें दो एस्पेक्ट आते हैं. पहली बात ये आती है कि हमको सिखाया जाता है पर हम सीखते नहीं, वो है हार्ड स्किल्स. आपको सिखाया जाता है कि आपको किस प्रकार से ऑस्कल्टेट करना है, पर हम क्लिनिक्स ही नहीं जाते. वी डोंट अटेंड द क्लिनिक्स. वी आर टॉट हाउ टू टेक ए प्रिक and take a drop of blood to do the CBC or to do a rapid count, I mean the blood cell count, etc., etc. We are taught about all organs in the dissection, but we don't go and attend the dissection. So in that case, this is that set of skills that is taught, but we don't attend, and so we don't learn, which is a little less important one. Why? Because इसमें गलती पूरी हमारी है, सिस्टम की नहीं है. But on the contrary, the second thing which is not being taught at all, and we also do not bother to learn about it, is the soft skill part. When I was talking with your dean madam, and when we discussed the headline of this topic discussion, she uttered these words. So आप soft skills के ऊपर आप session लेने वाले. So immediately it got captured. Why? Her experience is speaking. So do you know the example of Sachin Tendulkar? Do you know the example of Sachin? How many people know Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar? Almost everyone. Why do you know him? Yes? Cricketing skills. वो तो बहुत सारे प्लेयर हैं ना, सैकड़ों हजारों प्लेयर हैं. अभी रिसेंटली IPL का सीजन खत्म हुआ, हो गया ना? I am not aware of it, but इतना था पता कि चालू है. So what do you think? Yes? What is he entitled as? God of cricket. Yes, see, everyone is knowing this. If I ask you, do you know your father's name? You will say yes. Do you know your grandfather's name? You will say yes. Do you know his grandfather's name? Yes. Grandfather के grandfather, उनके ग्रैंडफादर. हाँ, मतलब 7 पीढ़ी के अंदर अंदर हमारा खत्म हो जाता है डिस्कशन. बट वी नो पीपल लाइक सचिन तेंदुलकर, वी नो पीपल लाइक स्वामी विवेकानंद, वी नो पीपल लाइक महात्मा गांधी. व्हाई डू वी नो ऑल ऑफ देम? दे आर नॉट रिलेटेड. मतलब जिस पैदाइशी या जिस फैमिली ट्री से हम आए हैं, हमको 7 पीढ़ी के ऊपर पता नहीं है मैक्सिमम. There are very few people in today's time who know even their 7 generations. I am happy to know that you people are aware. Okay, when I talk to people and ask आप लोगों को पता है तो ऐसा है. So why do we know these people? We don't know beyond the 7th generation in our family tree, but we are knowing all these people. You know Shivaji Maharaj? Why do you know him? You know Rana Pratap? Why do you know him? Yes, it is their contribution to the society. We will come to that part a little later. I am just quoting these examples, and we were talking about Sachin Tendulkar. You know him as the god of cricket because he started early. He started playing international cricket when he was 16. देखो, इतना तो तुमको ossification भी याद नहीं होगा. So he started when he was 16 as an international cricket player. It means he played Ranji, State, etc. when he was 12, 13. It means he started practicing for it some 3-4 years before. So what was the age? Some 7 years, 6 years, 8 years of age. अच्छा, तब हम क्या कर रहे थे? गोटे खेलता था. Okay, that was too early, forget. Come to 16. What were we doing at the age of 16? हाँ, ट्यूशन, मॅथ्सचं ट्यूशन, मराठीचं ट्यूशन, इंग्लिशचं ट्यूशन, ह्याचं ट्यूशन, त्याचं ट्यूशन. मग थोडा वेळ भेटला की मैत्रिणीचा वाढदिवस, मित्राचा वाढदिवस. बरोबर आहे ना? तेवढं झालं की लगेच 11वी 12वी, अँड वी आर इन टू दिस रॅट रेस. सो द फर्स्ट सॉफ्ट स्किल that we are expected to know is we have to stop competing with others. People who compete with others, they find themselves in an institution. But people who themselves are competitions, they are themselves institutes. Are you getting the statement? If you are in a rat race, you will end up in some institute. And if you yourself have competition, it means what? You are comparing with your own self. In my 9th or 10th standard of Sanskrit textbook, I recall a letter in Sanskrit language by Sachin Tendulkar to youth. Okay, and he says that I never compared myself with others. How I can be better every another day I wake up and rise. उसके लिए जल्दी उठना पड़ता है, बराबर है ना, और उसके लिए जल्दी सोना पड़ता है. हम कितने बजे सोते हैं? 3 बजे 4 बजे. So second aspect is discipline. There is no any sequence of mutual coordination of these attributes that we are discussing. It is haphazardly that we are discussing, which you can rearrange as per your feasibility of doing them. Okay, so if you don't mind, I would like you to have these points in your notebook. First was out of the competition. Second is discipline. Okay, come back. There is no need to talk. Discipline means doing what is being asked, focusing on whatever is told. Okay, so come back. Shh, shh, shh. Come back. So first is out of the competition. First is out of the competition. Second is discipline. So out of the competition आप किसका example लिख सकते हो? सचिन तेंदुलकर का लिख. There are thousands of examples. There is no any reason why I have chosen these examples. I came across them, I read them, and I felt that they are good, so I am sharing. It does not mean that I am following them blindly. Now I personally don't like cricket. I stopped playing cricket in my 10th standard. Till today I have not. But what attribute has to be taken in a good way. So first is out of the competition. Second is discipline. Whom do you think in terms of discipline is a good example to be taken? No, come out of sports. Okay, you can take it. What else? Any other example? Someone was uttering some name here. Yes? Nahi. You can take a good example of him also. Someone is uttering Ajit Pawar. I said you can take his example. How? I will tell you. The third attribute, seeing the good in everyone. This is a virtue from Bhagavad Gita also. And now that is not my topic, otherwise we will extend our discussion for the whole day. But third thing is, you have to look into the good of others. So he was talking about Ajit Pawar. So he gets up at 5 o'clock, he starts his Janata Darbar at 5-6 a.m. Yes? So it's a good thing. He is respecting time. So the next aspect, time management. Pen do. Time management. Okay. So which was the third aspect? Yes, seeing the good virtues of others. What was the second one? So we failed to continue with a good example in terms of discipline. Tell me any good example. Yes, yourself. रामदेव बाबा. अक्षय कुमार हमने यस बोला ना. And some any other example. अर्जुन कौन? भगवद गीता का अर्जुन. Yes. Any other name? I am expecting some name from you all. See, I am not politically diverting this discussion in any terms. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, you have other attributes like vision, mission, dedication, devotion, determination. You know, all these are the aspects that you can add. No doubt they will have discipline in their life. But some very exclusive example that I am wanting you to recall. All sportsmen who are at great heights. Without discipline, it's not possible. Or, see, you have to explain your answer. If I ask you to explain, will you be able to? We just don't have to prompt names. We are accountable for whatever we are saying. Stephen Hawking, are you able to explain him? How discipline?
He was a disabled person, but yeah.
So that is not to do anything with discipline. Discipline. डिसिप्लिन माने क्या? 5 बजे उठना है तो उठना है, 3 बजे मीटिंग है तो 3 बजे मीटिंग है, कोई आए नहीं आए, आई एम देयर.
Many army personalities.
Okay, we recently had Operation Sindoor, you know, and it was possible only and only because of discipline. If the army personnel are not disciplined, do you think it is possible to do it? What is the main difference between our army and their army? It is discipline. Of course, there is a huge difference in the ideologies and with what you are doing. Again, that's a different discussion. But what we want to focus is discipline. Have you ever seen any video or any interview of army training, army personnel training? You go and watch it. I had been in NCC in my 8th and 9th, and I'll tell you, 4 o'clock they are in your hut, in the tent, they'll hit you on your ass and get you out of the tent. You have to get out, fall in the line, at 5 a.m. you have to go for the run. So they are so punctual in terms of time and discipline, there is no compromise and there is no exception. ये कमांडर का लड़का है तो भी वो पीछे लात खाएगा और कोई नहीं है तो भी वो लात खाएगा. So without discipline, in any terms, you cannot be successful. I remember one example of Sachin Tendulkar itself. An interviewer asked him, "Sir, what is the secret of your success?" एक हमारे इंटरव्यू भी इतना ऐसा जोरदार सवाल पूछते हैं. मग ह्याच्यात डोकं लावण्यासारखं काय? तो सक्सेसफुल आहे आणि तुम्ही त्याला विचारताय व्हॉट इज द सिक्रेट, आणि तो काय रेसिपी सगळ्याला वाटत फिरणार आहे काय? म्हणजे बट ठीक आहे, फॉरगेट, कम बॅक. सो व्हॉट वॉज हिज रिप्लाय? ही सेड, द फर्स्ट थिंग दॅट आय डू आफ्टर गेटिंग अप is face 1000 balls and then start my day. I face 1000 balls on the pitch while knocking and then I start my day. If someone asks you that you are envisioned for NEET PG, do you solve at least 100 questions starting your day? No. You getting me? If I am envisioned to do such sessions outside, do I start my day planning it like we are blocked for next 2 months? How? सपने में आके बोल के गया कोई. You have to dedicate yourself for the thing you want to do. You have to work for the type of society you want to live in. You have to work on yourself, the way you want to see yourself in the society. And that is why it is utmost important. The interviewer very cleverly asked the next question, that if you have hit a century or a double century in the previous night, how would you start your day? And the answer remained constant, stating that I face 1000 balls and then I open up the news channel or the newspaper to view who has talked about me in what sense, who has exclaimed what. It means what? These are all attributes of Bhagavad Gita, discipline, and you know how an ideal person who is determined to do something lives. Means what? जय पराजय का संबंध नहीं है, कर्म करने पे विश्वास है. मेरा सेंचुरी नहीं हुआ, मैं डक आउट हो गया, मैं 0 पे आउट हो गया, मैं फर्स्ट बॉल पे बोल्ड हो गया, तो क्या रोते बैठा क्या? हाँ, रोते बैठा? नहीं रोते बेटा, क्या किया? जवान का जवाब बल्ले से दिया. You know the very famous story of his? Yes, who was he? Yes. So what I want to highlight, I am taking some common examples so that you are easily able to correlate with it. So this was about discipline. What is the third attribute that we discussed? Seeing good in every person. Can anyone quote any example? Any famous example? Why to see good in everyone? इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि कोई आके तुम्हारे सामने मार के जा रहा है और तुम ओ बहुत अच्छा, क्या मारा है, ये बात नहीं है. हाँ, वो मारा है तो उसको द सेकेंड गाल वाला द एरा हैज गॉन, एक मारा तो यू आर टू रिप्लाई बैक. हाँ, इन ऑपरेशन सिंदूर. Yes, anyone? Any example you want to add? You are raising your hand. अच्छाई को देखना. अरे कोई एक एग्जाम्पल बोलो. Yes, please.
Changes our perspective towards life.
Yeah, that is the effect of it. I am asking for any example. Yes? Yes, anyone is uttering? Yes, please. रावल, रावण. ओके, तो क्या कहना चाहते हो?
He was a scholar and
Yes, yes. So because he has uttered the word Ravan, let me tell you an example. Ravan knew that he was evil. Okay? Ravan knew that he was going to get killed by Lord Ram. Still he accepted, क्योंकि उसको ये पता था मेरा उद्धार इसी में होने वाला है. And after the whole fight got completed, Lord Ram killed Ravan by in the umbilical area where he had the store of elixir. Yes, it is told like that. He was not yet dead. Okay, he was lying on the ground like this. क्या लेके आया, क्या लेके जाया. Not always Alexander has to be taken an example of. And in this situation, Lord Ram asks his younger brother Lakshman to go and seek some knowledge from Ravan. And Lakshman is like, अरे ये तो हमारा शत्रु है, ये तो हमारा शत्रु है, वो क्या बताएगा, आपण तर त्याला ठार मारलेला आहे, तो काय सांगणार आहे, मी त्याच्याकडे जाऊ, मी ego. We know this character of Lakshmanji, right? So Bhagavan Ram says, though he is our enemy, he was our enemy. See the words, though he was our enemy, yet he is a very great Vedic Brahmin scholar. And there is a lot to learn from him. You just go and ask him that I have come to you for gaining some knowledge. Okay. He goes to Ravana and he is standing at his head, near his head. And how he asks for the knowledge, माझ्या भावानी पाठवले मला तुमच्याकडून ज्ञान घेण्यासाठी. And what is the reply of Ravan? जा तुझ्या भावाकडनं पद्धत शिकून ये. This is the reply. You go to your brother and learn how to seek knowledge. Okay, and he comes back. Lakshmanji comes back to Lord Ram and asks, तो तर arrogant है. म्हणे arrogant तो है का तू है? And then he goes very humbly, stands near the feet and then seeks knowledge. So in this case, we have two attributes in front of us. One attribute is seeing the good in others, and the second attribute is being humble irrespective of whoever we are. If you can recall again I am not politically diverting, if you can recall the speech of late Bharat Ratna, the Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, when he lost with one seat, how humble he was in presenting his no confidence motion. Even he lost. Even if he lost. If you can recall, let me balance the examples. If you can recall the example of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, where he said, even if I lose for 99 times, the 100th time I am supposed to try. Yes? So this gives you another attribute of perseverance, the right word. Note down. The problem with our generation is we are getting things very easily available. Papa tap pahiye 50,000. Papa marrow pahiye 50,000. Papa hey pahiye iPhone pahiye 1 lakh. Khatak khat. Parents don't want their children to suffer in the way they themselves suffered. But it's a very wrong perception with due respect to all parents. How many of you know Dholakia family of India? You know Ambanis, Adanis. You should also know a family called as Dholakia or Dholakia. It's a family from Gujarat. They are diamond vendors. And it's a multi-billion company. If you go through their history, after the child is eligible, after completion of his education, graduation, post-graduation, he is given only 5,000 rupees. How much? And kicked out of the house to go and survive for 1 month and come back. No phone, nothing. Dabba phone dete usko, dabba phone. And is asked to sustain for 1 month in 5,000 rupees only. Another thing, he is asked to do a job as a servant in some hotel, in the leadership of a tailor, low profile jobs. And he is asked to sustain that mindset. What it means to be a class 4 worker. What it means to be an underprivileged person. Until and unless you are not able to understand this sect of society, you cannot work for it. And in this context, these great families are not great generations across only because of money. They are great because of the values and virtues they nurture their next generation with. And this is what we lack. भावनांच्या ओघामध्ये विचारांची धमाकूळ करता आपली पिढी घालवण्याचं परमश्रेयस्कर कार्य आपण करीत आहोत. कळतंय का? आर यू एबल टू गेट मी? So we are expected to work exactly opposite if we want to retain our existence through not केवढे वर्ष जगले, काय केले, what is being done. Why is this college named as Dr. Rajendra Gode College? कर्तृत्ववान पुरुष है ना वो. तुम्हारे नाम पे क्या है? तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड भी तुम्हारी नहीं है. Because it's an environment of living in relationship. It's a bad atmosphere. That was just to make you a little light. Everyone was with very, serious faces. Okay, come back to the next attribute. Yes, time management. Yes, anyone who can give a good example of time management. Yes, time management. अरे बोलो ना, नॉर्मल वाला है क्या? टाइम मैनेजमेंट रहने दे. Yes, any famous example of time management? Have any one of you been into any office of some great personnel? Any great personnel? Yes? Should I tell you or quote you a very famous example of Ratan Tata ji? Should I? So it will add another attribute in the list, passion. Passion. Okay? It's a combination of passion and time management. There's a very famous company in South America called as Corus. C-O-R-U-S, Corus. And it's a steel company of South America, maybe somewhere around 2011, 12, 13 was the time. Mr. Tata was somewhere around 72 years of age. Okay, 72 years of age. And Tata's decided to buy this company Chorus for a price worth 56,000 crore rupees. How much? 56,000 crore. Zero कितने आते हैं सोचना पड़ेगा. 56,000 crore rupees. Can you come forward, please? 56,000 crore rupees. And 56,000 crore रुपए को खाने की तो बात है नहीं. मंदिर का प्रसाद है, खा लिया, डकार ले लिया, हो गया, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा. 56,000 करोड़ का डील करना है तो उसके लिए उतना सोचना पड़ेगा, टाइम देना पड़ेगा. So lot of meetings happened across the year, and the final meeting was happening in London. About 150-160 delegates from the Chorus team and about 150-160 delegates from the Tatas, and a meeting was going on in London which expanded or extended for about 72 hours. Mr. Tata was then sitting in his office at Taj Hotel in Mumbai on the 7th floor, and he was continuously updated about the meeting. And you know who are the management people there? They are not the BBAs and the MBAs. They are all of the cadre of IAS officers. मतलब मैनेजमेंट लाइन में BBA MBA को ऐसा साइड में खड़ा करेंगे बाहर, आप सर इधर रुकिए. That kind of intellect is required. So, and the deal was going on. To be very precise, Mr. Tata did not sleep for 3 days at the age of 72. And can you stay alive without sleeping for a couple of days? No. If someone asks you, आपका favorite काम क्या है? और आपने जवाब दिया रील देखना, ठीक है, मान लो. एंड रील देखना बोला, आप कितनी देर तक रील देख सकते हैं? एक घंटा, 2 घंटा, 4 घंटा, वो पूरा रील का वो खत्म होने तक, उससे ज्यादा नहीं ना. आपका फेवरेट काम है, पर आप कितना कर सकते हैं? नॉट बियॉन्ड ए सर्टन लिमिट. वॉट इज पैशन? tirelessly being able to do it without any exception. You choose. हम नहीं बोल रहे कि तुम पढ़ाई करो, एनाटॉमी करो, पैथोलॉजी करो, बिल्कुल नहीं. तुम चूज करो ना, बट चूज तो करो, उसके लिए उतना लायक तो बनो. आप समझ रहे what I want to say? How is passion? It is like this. 3 days he did not sleep. 3 days later, the meeting got completed, and then Mr. Tata went for rest. And in the next few hours, the MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, was created by the officials. It was around 1800 paged MOU, and Mr. Tata read it for more than 10 to 12 times in about 2 to 3 days, and after going through it, he finally signed the MOU with a 9-lettered signature, RATAN, Ratan, TATA, Tata. Means what? He had to pay a cost of 56,000 crore rupees for a 9-lettered signature by giving 3 days. और ऐसा नहीं है थोड़ा पॉपकॉर्न खा लिया, थोड़ा चाय पी लिया, उधर एक भी लाइन ऊपर नीचे हुई तो उसका कीमत कौन चुकाएगा? Who is going to pay for it? So what it suggests, when we are passionate about whatever we are doing, relentlessly we can work on it. Recently, I am not putting up myself somewhere, but I'll tell you how it works, and it automatically works. When you are envisioned, even I was surprised when it happened with me. In 96 hours, we were dedicated for a project in the month of March, and in 96 hours, I could just sleep for 14 hours. मतलब average 2 to 3 hours in a day, 24 hours. Now, and the next day I was supposed to give my lecture in my department, UG student. It did not have any problem. I did not have any problem. What it suggests, we have to learn from these great men, try to adapt and make our way bolder and bolder. So this is about time management, passion. Time management के बाद what was the attribute? Perseverance. We already saw one example of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Any other example of perseverance you would like to tell me? Yes, anyone?
Yes, Manji, the one who dug the mountain.
Yes, please.
His name was
Dasharath Manji.
Manji.
Yes.
He dug a mountain because his wife died. She was ill. He couldn't take her in time to the hospital. So he dug through a mountain. So
Which state is it?
In Bihar, I think.
So basically, yes, very good. So basically, he is talking about Mr. Dasharath Manji. Okay, please sit down. He is a native person from the East India, and he dug a mountain through and through in the form of a tunnel because he could not take his wife to the hospital when she was ill. So how perseverance should be? Whether I am going to reach my goal or not, or I would die in between, in the midst, is not of any importance. Perseverance is बस ठान लिया है और करना है. उठो जागो और चल पड़ो. What is the line? Yes, जब तक, please continue. Complete the statement. अरे no. No, this is not what we are expecting. We are expecting you to complete the statement by Swami Vivekananda ji. Yes? Anyone? नहीं, उसने उसी बात को बोला पर अपने ढंग में बोला, अमरावती स्टाइल में बोला. Yes? Arise, awake and until you reach your goal. Basically, that is what is perseverance. That is what is consistency. If you would not mind, should I tell you another example of looking things in a good way? Okay, looking things in a good way. And which was the last attribute? The perseverance. So a combination of perseverance and a good outlook. Okay. Everyone knows about the example of Edison, Thomas Alva Edison. Okay. How many hello. How many experiments did he do to discover light? Some 10,000 experiments. So he had a workshop, he had a factory. Hello. He had a workshop, he had a factory, and every morning he used to go do experiments, come back. One morning he got a call from his factory stating that, Mr. Thomas, your factory has caught fire. Mr. Thomas, your factory has caught fire. And it's all heaps of ashes. It's all heaps of ashes. And he stopped doing breakfast and asked his wife, whatever was his name, whatever was her name, he says, let's go to see heaps of ashes that we have never seen in our lives. उसके फैक्ट्री में आग लगी है, राख का ढेर है, और वो अपनी वाइफ को क्या बोलता है, धर्मपत्नी को, चलो राख का ढेर देखने जाते हैं, आज तक देखा नहीं होगा. और हम क्या करेंगे, गेलं माझं सगळं गेलं, मी लुटलो, माझं संपलं, वर्षाची मेहनत एवढ्या सगळ्या संपली. Yes? How to view a situation? Same situation, put your feet in his shoes and what would you do? छाती पीटते थे, रोते थे, है ना, वो मेरे को छोड़कर चला गया. चली गई. I often, in a very funny manner, explain the first 6 months of first year students. वो एक दूसरे का इतिहास जानने में उनके 6 महीने जाते हैं. तू कुठना आला, तू कुठचा आहे, तुझी कुठची होती, या किती मैत्रिणी होत्या, ऐसा सब. तुझे किती फॉलोअर आहेत, मग त्या किती, ऐसा सब चलता है. ओके, कम बैक. तो उसके वाइफ को क्या बोलता है, लेट्स गो एंड सी द हीप्स ऑफ एशेस. उसको वाइफ देख के तो चक्कर आके गिर गई तो बोलता है, उसको बोलता है उठाओ इसको. उठा करके व्हाट ही सेज, गॉड हैज बर्न्ड ऑल माय मिस्टेक्स, लेट्स गो फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड कम बैक टू स्टार्ट विद अ न्यू वन. ये बोलने के लिए ना जिगर लगता है, जिगर. यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ फेथ इन योर सेल्फ टू स्टेट दिस. साला एक एग्जाम नापास होने के बाद मरने को चले इधर पागल की जैसा. हाँ बराबर है ना. 1 मार्क से फेल हो गया, बोले 1 मार्क. अरे फेल हुआ नहीं, तेरे को फेल किया है क्योंकि तू उसी लायक है. हाँ पूछो ना मैडम को, 1 मार्क से कोई करता है क्या? 1 मार्क से तो बचाते हैं. If you score, see, I'll tell you a faculty's mentality because now I am on that side. Out of 100, if you are scoring less than 60 or less than 55, 50 passing है ना, you must think that I was not capable of passing. I have been pushed to pass. Always remember this. No faculty, irrespective of any background, will never fail a student for no reason. For no reason other than academics, okay? They will never fail you. और जब हमको 49 मिला है, मतलब क्या? या एलिजिबिलिटी वो 40-60 है ना, तो 39 मिला है, मतलब क्या? वी आर नॉट वर्थ ऑफ पासिंग. और फिर अरे यार, जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम किसको नहीं है? हाँ, द बेस्ट थिंग इन लाइफ इज यू आर अलाइव. द बेस्ट थिंग इन लाइफ इज you are alive. How many people don't get up every morning? Did you ever think of it? Have you been on your hospital side? As a UG student, I have seen deaths right from stillbirth to a 80-year-old dying. This is the range of deaths that I have seen. And every one of you will see if you get exposed. So in that case, the discussion is, the best thing is you are alive. This is the most important soft skill part to keep your mental status in position. I am alive. Almost how many % of people do not wake up? Do you know the statistics? Okay, forget it, not our psychiatry talk. The thing is, we are alive. Second, are you in debt of some money? No. 2 करोड़ 10 करोड़ का तुम्हारे सिर पे बोझा है क्या? कोई वसूली करने के लिए आने वाला है क्या? नहीं. यू फेल्ड अ न्यूसेंस एग्जाम एंड यू आर थिंकिंग, अरे मेरा लुट गया सब. एंड देन हाउ वी ट्राई टू टैकल इट? बाय टेकिंग ए एंटासिड, बिकॉज ड्रिंकिंग अल्कोहल लीड्स टू एसिडिटी. सो वी फर्स्ट टेक एन एंटासिड एंड देन वी ड्रिंक अल्कोहल, गम मिटाने के लिए. द बिटर ट्रूथ इज, we are not able to overcome what we have faced, rather we are trying to dodge it. And you should remember a very famous example of life of Swami Vivekananda, where when he was in Varanasi, there was a narrow road. On one side there was a steep slope, on the other side there was a pond, and there were monkeys in Varanasi. And Swami Vivekananda was doing Bharat Parikrama at that time, wandering all across the country because of his guru, because guru asked him to do that. And in that case, what happened? He started running out of fear. He ran faster. अब monkey का बंदर का काम क्या है? वो तो नकल करता है, इज ए कॉपी कैट. तो कुछ तकलीफ है तो हंसो ना. तो he started running and there was a saint sitting across the roadside. और उसने उसको नाम से बुलाया, नरेंद्र. his name was Narendra, right? Narendra, stop. I am just translating it in English. And he asked him to face the monkeys. What happened? When he stopped and faced the monkeys, monkeys ran away. तो जब तक तुम उठ के प्रॉब्लम को फेस नहीं करोगे तब तक तुम दलदल में गिरते ही जाने वाले हो. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सॉफ्ट स्किल इज फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम द वे इट इज. एक्सेप्ट इट, छोड़ दो. कोई क्या बोलेगा उससे हमारा डिसाइड होने वाला है क्या लाइफ? कोई मेरे को बोला तू काला है, तो उसके बोलने से मैं होने वाला हूं क्या काला? हाँ, एक बॉस था ऑफिस में, जस्ट आउट ऑफ फन. एक बॉस था और उसने अपने जूनियर को बोला यू डंकी फेलो. वो ऐसा देखा, ऐसा देखा, फिर मोबाइल निकाल के सेल्फी मोड चालू करके देखा. बॉस बोला बे क्या कर रहा है? बोले मैं देख रहा हूं मैं गधा हूं या नहीं. आपने गधा बोला, सो यू कैन इजीली गेट थ्रू सच वेरी ट्रिवियल पॉइंट्स. गधा बोला तू तुझ्या. This is how we face them. So how to face a tackle-and situation is most important. We waste a lot of time. So if you are thinking about time management this way, if you are managing things in this way, I think no power in the world can stop you doing what you want. And with God's grace and blessings of everyone, I have been experiencing by living these virtues. What is the effect? मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं अगर इधर मेरी गाथा बोलूँगा, तुम बोलोगे तापड़िया की गाथा सुनने के लिए थोड़ी ना आया. So I am quoting you famous examples, but without any exceptions, I have had so many experiences of these attributes and virtues in my own life as well. And with that faith and confidence, I am telling to you, my dear young friends, brothers and sisters, are you getting me? The vision is very clear. The vision is very clear, brothers and sisters. Okay. So, what is the last point? Passion. So, we already discussed about Mr. Tata, and there are so many other passionate people. Because of shortage of time, I feel that we should now conclude. Before concluding, let me come to the concluding statement. We started with the discussion that there are hard skills taught and we don't learn them. So that is our mistake. So what is the solution to it? Go and put yourself in the hospital wards. Go and put yourself along the bedside of the patient. Go and put yourself in the grief of others, because a patient is not a case. He comes to you with a lot of maladies and sorrows. Think that if he is your father, if he is your mother, would you give a trial? You would not. In that context, it is of utmost importance to learn all the basic skills that we are expected to learn in our undergraduation and post-graduation. MUH is not mad. MUHS is not mad to make you learn how to measure blood pressure in the first very year. And I have seen interns who don't know to measure the blood pressure, with due respect to whatever they are. So in this context, it is you who have to take care that you have to go to the clinical side and learn what you are expected to be. Now you are come here, you are married to the field of MBBS. You have no option of divorce, right? You can pay 20 lakhs, but that's not worth. You getting me? So once you are married to this field, try to love it, make it a passionate learning and enjoy. And the soft skills, the simple solution is, you got inspired. Are you? Are you? Yes, sir. Are you? Yes, sir. So if you are inspired by what? Some great stories that we discuss right now. So it is these real stories, real life based stories that have inspired you all. So your simple task for learning soft skills is what? Reading these great people, listening to these great people, and trying to do them in your life. This is how you can balance your hard skill, soft skill learning and enjoy life. You are come here for a purpose, try to live it, and if you would do justice to your profession, then you will think a step beyond. ठीक है ना? Then you will think a step beyond. So I am again thankful to Dr. Rajendra Gode Medical College, Dean present here, faculties here, and students from the council, and all of you, my dear friends, for listening to me very patiently and giving this opportunity for me to sharing my views with you. Thank you one and all. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a much needed session for us because we are not having our exams just very soon. Thank you for your powerful and thought-provoking session. You have truly inspired us to reflect deeper and aim higher. Now I request respected Kevali ma'am to share a few words with us. Please, ma'am.
Good morning everyone. Good morning students from the second year. It's nice to see you after many days. Yes, I know it's not working. So let's just talk this way. So today I was thankful to be here, to be the one who can appreciate this. I was thankful even to experience this good talk. I'm thankful to Dr. Kapadia. As I came to know, being a UG and PG student from GMC Solapur, and very much delighted that he comes from the same background as me, doing MD anatomy, and I was much more inspired by his life's thought to at least inspire a specific amount of students that we have decided to guide them in his journey of life. And as I come to know that he is a follower of Sri Swami Vivekananda. What we have learned today, students, we do not have time to learn every day. As our second year students said, so many journals to complete. It is, as pointed out by our guest speaker, UHS is not stupid. They have a very brilliant people telling them what to do. So even the things written in the journal that we have to complete comes from very experienced people that have put together journal which have been time tested in every respective subject, and they have decided what you should know as an Indian medical graduate in the given time, including starting from the first year, as our speaker said, that we should learn how to take BP even in the first year. All the virtues that our speaker asked us to work on, I think and I hope that, and I trust my students that they will work on this. And I have noted that, as told by sir, some people have even written those down. So work on these things, and as I always point out in the lectures, first of all, try to become a good human being. Then you will become a good doctor. Learn and work on your morals. I give you this example of accident on the road, how you will behave in that situation. I have given this in many classes during our communication skills classes. So be careful how you present yourself as a human being first, and then you will learn the side of the patient, the psychology of the patient, and how we should behave. So, not taking too much time, I would like to thank Akhil Bharati Parishad and also our guest speaker for his time. All the way he has come from far away place Solapur, and as I come to know, it takes about 36 hours, 14 hours. So, coming and going is going to be a difficult journey for him. But just he wants the satisfaction that he should reach out to maximum students, even in a faraway place like Vilan or from his place. So we should be very glad, and on behalf of all of you also, I thank him. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your constant guidance and support to us.